Hey there! Welcome to this guided meditation on how to astral project. In this session, we'll explore the practice of separating your consciousness from your physical body and traveling to the astral realm. Find a comfortable and quiet place to lie down and let's begin. Start by closing your eyes and taking a deep breath. Let your body relax and release any tension. Focus on your breath, inhaling slowly and deeply, and exhaling slowly and fully. Allow your mind to let go of any thoughts and worries. Visualize yourself in a peaceful place, surrounded by a calming energy. This can be a forest, a beach, a mountain, or any place that makes you feel at ease. Take a moment to connect with the energy of this place, feeling its tranquility and serenity. Now focus on your physical body. Visualize a bright light surrounding your body, forming a protective shield. This shield will keep your body safe while you explore the astral realm. Take a few moments to let your body relax even more. Imagine your muscles loosening up and your limbs feeling heavy. Imagine that you're sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Now, imagine yourself rising up out of your body, hovering above it. Look down and see your physical body resting peacefully below you. Feel the sensation of separation between your consciousness and your physical body. As you continue to float above your body, visualize a cord connecting you to your physical body. This cord represents your connection to your physical body and ensures that you can return to it when you're ready. Now focus on the astral realm. Visualize a door or a portal that leads to this realm. Imagine yourself stepping through this portal, entering a new dimension of consciousness. As you explore the astral realm, allow yourself to be open to new experiences. You can fly, visit different locations, or interact with other astral beings. Let your imagination guide you and enjoy the sensations of this new state of consciousness. When you're ready to return to your physical body, focus on the cord connecting you to it. Visualize yourself descending back into your physical body, feeling the connection growing stronger with each passing moment. Take a few moments to reconnect with your physical body, feeling its weight and warmth. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and take a deep breath. Congratulations, you've successfully astral projected. That's it for this guided meditation on how to astral project. Thank you for watching.